Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. I can presentation my videos, total guidelines of Canva. The how to interest free of Canva start here and guidelines and schedule and how to make money fast course and reviews. 15 OI to make money using Canva up to 10K a month. 10K a month, total lot of guidelines and step by step. This is the now point one, number one point of view. The point of view, the popular and schedule and the Canva Pro on how to work is create a t-shirt, mug, oil art and tools bar and etc. That is the mind sold. It is the best of Canva translate and design and how to next and unique and Revis Amazon and easy. You while the price of products and earn tolls the platform hand its product and packing shipping and production. The 1,100 prints of destinations. Number two, design and sell practice in design and products. The number two, lot of products submission is this courses. Are What are the excellent and prints in work and action things, the calendars, art illustrator, journal, Pinterest, budget template and mails and in stock in checker. The Canva, a lot of design. I am the practical class. A lot of Canva, which is the best of policies and world of easy to the million of user. Then words of the sometime and best and complete and the around and the find of 10K for month business. Number three, local content books. There are also will create and easy to make books. There are called low and content books and including the logo books, praiser book, sticks book, music book, and chorus, the color books, kit and the adults and printed journal, etc., etc. Be live on the notice, sell the low courses book and design of Amazon. You simple need to design uploaded product and 1 to 4 per hour coffee. This is the Amazon books cover. The number four, the make and add. The very important part, any social media ads and any ads. Do you ever like and does a display and they made money? What is the change? As that is thousands of people starting the how business each month. There always a need for design marketing to you help them specific the magic via ad and Instagram, Facebook, and even of YouTube. And the very important part is the three marketplace. There are a lot of video ads and ads campaign, then as like Instagram, Facebook, and even or YouTube. How can freelancer work at this the custom one of fiverr upwork and obtain the digital marketer agency and this 25 to 35 per hour earning. This is the sample of upwork people is this the 30 25 to 35 dollar using Canva per hour. The sale Canva template, as I mentioned, is point of dean is the practicals are popular Canva template business idea, but is many people lack the technical cover skill term of what is the design. That is war of campaign is the thousand excellent and Canva. The Canva template is the Canva template, the system of icon practical, then login Canva, the available all things. Because your Canva contribution, the template is design are template design are important aspects in Canva, help and then like in create and stain. The because your showed previous Canva uses days and earned a finished template and photo videos and etc. Why is bandage is it the simple because you're the Canva. This is the Canva design software and template. Number seven, create marketing videos. The most popular is like Canva has the interview and easy to say and videos eating to say and videos in professional look and this looking videos and edition edit and this marketing base and $500. The number eight, the social media. Number eight, social media. social media creation, your business on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn. As like someone content social media platform and join is the skill and design. Number 8, join the Canva affiliate program. Very important. The join the Canva affiliate program. If you want to extend the audition audience and easy to say and sign up their affiliate program. The affiliate marketing, who is the very common and service of the standard is unique. Canva is the free pro and template. Why Canva cages and the 36 per new person is Canva. A very important part of because very important part of because the Canva. If you have something, wife already, and I think is the Canva, YouTube, in fact, and videos, ideas, and usually Canva template design software views and traffics, and until you make and the YouTube ads affiliate commission and sales and over and service banner, who you the 1,000 subscribe 4,000 subscribe and YouTube earning an affiliate every are after millions of people earning on YouTube now is Canvas. Number 10, launch and Canva course. The if you already have working knowledge of Canva. Canva is the make of launching course and travel skill and understand. If you hand them and template easily, Canva. This is the template of Canva social media calculation. The this is the Canva on how to Canva design and Canva easily. The create and because the Canva create and selling the Canva design using Canva platform make is TikTok etc videos. Don't you have don't because also learn expert. The number 12, the start and Canva counseling and created business. The Canva already is in support and both in these 2000 and every even the investigation tools like Canva can be in internet and some of people and they like some to education them the train and there are articles imaging and cool net you 2,000 to $5,000 more difficult. This is the size of complete template. The best of advertising Canva business on YouTube. Best of advertising Canva YouTube business. One of number 13, the Canva website design. Canva website design in usually have and more details there. Canva website design and Canva website design just one, and we had dollar and the number 4, the logo design, very important and easily 14, the Canva logo design. Canva create the program, create a make marketplace others program, and the graphic design, photo, videos, education, and template. How to make money user and how to make money uses Canva and conclusion. The until conclusion like conclusion like then is the you're looking for Canva skill and easily traffics for the beside, and this is the solution extent. How to make money using Canva. Canva. Lot of Ways, the 15 Canva key program, Canva logo design, design website, start business, Canva conclusion on creating business, launch a Canva course, because Canva a create can become a Canva YouTube, join Canva affiliate program, create social media content, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, create a marketing because a Canva content, sell Canva template, make ad, low content ebook, uh, design and sell product, and paint or demo, oil Canva design. But a lot of why how to make money. The Canva is the 15 OI, the lot of OI make money using Canva up to 10K a month. Thank you. Best of luck.